Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add currency on your Amazon shipping. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Amazon shipping app. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on this mark down here, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings. Then it's going to show for you window like this here, and you just click here on notification. So you click here on country and language, you will click here, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you come here to currency here, you will click here, and it's going to show for you window here, and here you can add so dollar or euro or anything you want to add here on your currency window. So here you can add your currency, just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.